Hey traders, I'm going to look at Google real quick here, the Googl ticker. So I do want to point out, as far as the top 100 trades of all time, we had two trades this week on Google. One is 89 percentile, the other one is 86 percentile. So very strong trades. Both of them had more on the 5 minute candles, had more sell side action on the candles, suggesting it was a stronger sell side institutional trade. Okay, not guaranteed, but suggesting. Uh, we came into the 6,000 on the S&Ps. And like I said, everything sold off when we hit the 6,000. And ultimately, maybe we come in and they could be wrong about this on the institutions, but obviously there were signs that two major trades suggesting that somebody would get nervous at this price point on Google on the institutional side, in my opinion. Okay, if you go over here on the chart here, and if you haven't charted out, you see how close they are on the bigger time frame. Both of those are right next to each other from Wednesday, and both of them. We were in a fair value gap. We got wicks up here at the top, right into that fair value gap. They were selling into that strength. The institutions were selling into that strength. I think it's more likely because of the TikTok news and stuff. That it's more likely that this could be a fade coming into tomorrow. So be very mindful. That the media stocks. It looks like institutions were worried about the reversal of the TikTok ban thing, and they wanted to get out of Dodge just in case the markets really took it poorly. Some of the U.S. based media names really took the news poorly. So be very mindful of that. Now, as far as the downside goes, now, 1 second here. Let me give you a downside target. I forgot to draw it out. It's very simple here, guys. Very simple. You see this downtrend breakout. So we got this breakout of this trend line. Okay, guys. You see how it goes right into the last week's point of control. I would definitely be looking to target that, the point of control for the back test, of the trend line, that at the minimum. Okay, at the minimum, we could have a full retrace of last week's trading range very easily, and if the markets decide to sell off. So, but yeah, at a very minimum, I would be looking at the 194.50 scenario coming into tomorrow. Uh, you know, Bottom line is if we come in opening up, below the, uh, you know, we're still below the 196.50, or I would be strongly looking towards the downside. So uh, I really wouldn't want to be buying in that fair value gap. Tomorrow we'll see how that plays out. So we've already had multiple attempts to get up there, and we've been failing, in my opinion. Um, so we have to be very mindful of that really strong sell from Friday's open. Uh, I know we migrated back up there to the highs for the inauguration, but that's really important, an important candle that we have to get through on most of these charts. Okay, thanks a lot.